Good morning students, welcome back to the online class. In this video, you are all going to learn Social Unit 4, Atmosphere Part 3. Before directly going to today's class, a short recap of the last class so that you are able to connect the ideas. What are the topics you seen in the last class? Yes, right. Longitude and latitudes. Some important latitude are Equator, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. Equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, North Pole and South Pole. Longitudes, Prime Meridian, Indian Standard Time. In this part 3 of Atmosphere, you are going to learn heat zones of the Earth, Himalayas, Dottabeta, pressure, wind energy, low wind and different types of wind. Heat zones of the Earth. The Earth is a spherical in shape, result in different part of the Earth getting heated differently based on the heat received from the Sun. The Earth is divided into 3 heat zones. They are torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Torrid zone. It is a region between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This region receives the direct vertical rays of the sun for almost the whole year. Therefore, this zone gets the maximum heat from the sun. This zone is known as torrid zone. Temperate zone. This zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. This zone gets the slanting rays of the sun as the angle of the sun rays goes on decreasing towards the poles. Thus, this zone experiences moderate temperature. Frigid zone. The frigid zones lies between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole and between the Antarctic Circle and South Pole. This zone is also known as polar region since it receives the extreme slanting rays of the sun. The temperature is extremely low throughout the year. This is the reason why the polar region are generally covered with ice. Himalayas. The highest mountain in the world is Himalayas. Apart from the famous mountain peak like Mount Everest, K2, Kanchenjunga, there are other peaks Nagan Parbat, Annapurna, Dhaulagiri. The Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. It rises to a height of 8,848 meters above sea level. Dottabeta. Dottabeta is the highest peak in the Nilgiri ranges. It rises to a height of 2,637 meters. There is a reserved forest area around the peak. It is 9 kilometers from Ooty on the Ooty to Kotagiri road in the Nilgiri district of Tamil Nadu, India. Pressure. When the temperature increases, the pressure decreases, and when the temperature decreases, the pressure increases. Barometer is used to measuring the pressure. Wind. The air which moves horizontally from the high pressure to low pressure area is called wind. Air never moves in one direction. It differs from place to place and time to time. This is due to the rotation of the earth. The instrument used to measure the direction of wind is wind vane. The instrument used to measure the speed of the wind is anemometer. Wind energy. Wind energy or wind power refers to the process of creating electricity using the wind or air flows that occur naturally in the earth atmosphere. Wind turbines convert the kinetic energy in the wind into mechanical energy. A generator can convert mechanical energy into electricity. Different types of wind: planetary wind, monsoon wind, local wind, and cyclone. Planetary winds. These winds move in the same direction throughout the earth with rotation of the earth. Monsoon. The monsoon basically refers to a big winds. During the summer, the landmass of India becomes very hot. This creates an area of low pressure above the land. The low pressure attracts or pulls in the wind from the nearly ocean. These winds from the oceans are very cool and they contain water drops in the form of clouds. As the wind reaches the India, the encounter highs the mountain, such as the Western Ghats on the western coast and the further inside the high Himalayas. The mountains stop the winds from going any further. The clouds therefore shed the rain over the India. This is now the monsoon takes place. In India, we see two kinds of monsoon: southwest monsoon winds, northeast monsoon winds. Southwest monsoon wind. Southwest monsoon takes place between the June and September. During these months, most part of the India, including cities like such as Delhi, Mumbai and Kolkata, gets rainfall. During the southwest monsoon, cities like Mumbai get a lot of rain. Sometimes there is so much rain that causes floods. Northeast monsoon wind. The northeast monsoon takes place between the October and December. During this time, the states such as Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh get rainfalls. But this monsoon is much smaller than the southwest monsoon. The northeast monsoon is very important for the growth of rice in the states of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Sea breeze. It blows from the sea to the land during the evening. Land breeze. It blows from the land to sea in the morning. Local wind. A local wind that blows over the limited area. It affected the weather. It is two types: warmer local wind, northwest India; cool local wind, northeast India. Loo wind. The loo wind is a strong, dusty, gusty, hot and dry summer wind from the west, which blows over the northwestern India. It is especially strong in the month of May and June. Due to its very high temperature, exposures to it often leads fatal heat strokes. Jet streams. Air currents in the upper layer of the atmosphere is known as jet streams. It could determine the arrival and departure of monsoon winds in India. Hurricane or cyclone. Hurricane change its position with the time to time. The speed of wind also changes with the time. It gives very heavy rainfall. Thank you children. See you all in the next video.